and it's gone on far too long. Yes, it's gone on far too long. I tell you, it's gone on far too long. Oh, somebody's hurting our families, and it's gone on far too long. And we won't be silent anymore. And we won't be silent anymore. And
we're going to pray. We're going to wait. We're going to act. And then what do we see? Change.
Well, come on, come on, come on. Don't you wanna go? I said, come on, come on, come on. Don't you wanna go? Come on, come on, come on. Don't you wanna go? Oh, yes, I wanna go. Oh, Samson was a witness for my Lord. Samson was a witness for my Lord. Samson was a witness for my Lord. My soul is a witness for my Lord. All the way, all the way, all the way. I said I run on all the way. Yes, I am.
There's no simple solution to this sad situation, but it starts with the elevation of the moral compass of our nation, coupled with strong common sense legislation. By all means, we must stop this degradation, for we've reached the peak of our collective frustration. Oh my God! Oh my God. Here is strange. Oh my God. Oh, my God gives beauty for ashes, strength for fear, gladness for mourning, and peace for despair. So just let the violins play and hear God's word from Isaiah 61 today. The time has come when we must all say, violence is played out, and we're coming out with a shout. Moving forward, moving forward, moving forward, peace in, peace out.
Whoa.